Hello dear nerd friends, my name is Hendrik and welcome to Skulls and Paints. That noise that you're hearing right there, that's my 3D printer working, and where there's a 3D printer there also should be a UV curing station. Now you can buy a curing station from any Cubic, Formlabs or any of the other manufacturers, but who wants to spend another 2, 3, 4, 5, 600 euros on something like that if you can build one yourself for 30 euros. All you need is some window film, reflective window film, a little solar powered turntable and a UV blacklight strip. These three things together costed me around 30 euros at Amazon in Germany. I will leave links to these items in the description. And what you still need also is a box. What's really nice about this one is that it's overlapping, so it's very easy to use. So first off, let's clean this desk because it's a real mess because of 3D printed minis, and then let's get building. The desk is clean. Let's get our stuff. So this we don't need to mess with at all right now. This is the second step. And this is the first step. So we're going to apply the reflective tape to the inside of the box. And now you can think about, how do you want to use this box? Do you want to make it easily accessible? Something like this. And then just close it down for when it is getting used. So that way you could put the lights over here and at the sides and have the reflective foil everywhere else. Or if you want to use it like this and just put everything at the bottom and then use the box like this. It's really up to you, and I feel like this is easier to use, and that's I think why I will be starting to do the film this way. So two things you also will need is a measuring tape and scissors to cut your film. So this is a film made for windows, and it has a transparent backer film on the back, and then you just put it onto the window. And the idea is to use it with water, and then you can use something like a rag to push out any bubbles. I think the bubbles don't really matter over here, but I still try to work as clean as possible. Now the first thing is that I'm going to do is measure the depth of my box, and that of course will completely depend on the kind of box you have. And my box is around 17 centimeters deep, so I should cut a 17 centimeter long stripe, maybe a little bit more if I want to go a bit over here. That would be useful, I think. And my box is around 40 centimeters long, which is coincidentally just a little bit less than the width of my roll. So now it's just about taking your film. If you don't want to buy this kind of film, you could make it even cheaper and use the tin foil that you have at home that you use for cooking in the kitchen or making your heads if you're that kind of person. Okay, now first Alright, we got the majority, so the 5 inside corners of the box covered. Now I'm putting a little bit on these, and these, and then we'll be gluing the UV lamps to the box. Right, our mirror cabinet is done. Time to grab some UV lamps and install them in there too. So there's a lot of different UV lights available online and in your local shop. I picked these up. They were in the mid-price range. There are ones that are more expensive and there are ones that are cheaper. But I picked these up because there is an outlet with them, so it connects to the electricity outlet. I didn't need to buy that separately. And this is 5 meters, so I thought this is plenty enough. And as you can see, very easy to apply again, also because they have already a backing, a 3M backing, so you don't need to have any glue or anything. You just attach them over here and you're ready to go. Sweet, works a treat. It was super easy and not too slow to put the box together with this window film, and then applying over here the UV lamp was super easy. If you want to do it a little bit better than me, then you probably want to order these little connector pieces, but this works just fine and I don't think that it will have any effect on the quality of the curing. The last piece is this little solar turntable. This will be powered simply by the UV lamps in there, so that's very nice and convenient. That's it. Thanks for watching my short tutorial on how to create your own UV cure box for your miniature resin 3D prints. This was a fun, quick project. Took me around 30 minutes and that includes filming everything, so if you're not doing this for the camera, you probably are done in 10-15 minutes. And at the end you will have an affordable, very well functioning UV curing box for your resin prints. I'm not going to put this up and running because I have something there that wants to be cured. And yeah, if you enjoyed it, leave the thumbs up because it helps to get the video out to other interested people. If you haven't subscribed yet and want to see more 3D printing stuff and miniature painting and tabletop games, hit the subscribe button right there and the bell next to it. That way you will follow along for the journey. As always, thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Peace.
Yeah.